Welcome to Miss Pam Reads. Today we are reading Bird, Balloon, Bear. Stories and pictures by Il Sung Na. Bird, Balloon, Bear. Stories and pictures by Il Sung Na. It was Bird's first day in a new forest, and he was looking for a friend. It wasn't long before he spotted someone. But Bird was too shy to say hello. When he finally felt brave enough, it was too late. Bear already had a friend. "Hi," said Bear. There was no reply, but Bear didn't seem to mind. The friends spent all their time together. They played, they danced, they watched the sunset. Bird wished he could play too. Then one day, the wind carried Bear's friend away. Up, up, up! Bird flew as fast as he could, but the wind blew, the branches swayed, and oh, pop! The balloon popped. See, here they are down here. "Hi, I'm Bear. Hi, I'm Bird." The friends played, they danced, and they watched the sunset together. The end. Thank you for joining me for Miss Pam Reads. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to get updates when a new story is posted. Have a great day. Bye.